Help!
Oh my God, what's that? Is that hyperpigmentation?
A Grammy for school. Grammy to go to school. I don't know what it's called. But I'll be saying my morning thing and I'll show you how I do it. Yeah, your girl's back, but I have to take a break. Yeah, because sometimes this video is hard. But you got to work hard. So I did for my morning thing. Oh, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
2,000 years later.
Gotta get your red. Hold up, I'm trying to get my toothbrush and my toothbrush. Bye-bye. Hi. Oh, I'm not done. Gotta do this first. Now, now I get my clothes on. Now I got my clothes on and yeah. And I got my clothes picked out. So, yeah. My room right now. So, you're gonna watch me put my clothes on. Yeah, weird. Yeah, I thought I was gonna show you put my clothes. Are you? I was gonna be butt naked and show you my clothes. No, I have to do a transition now. I'm back. Alright, so.
Oh my God!
Is perfume on, so I'm gonna do mini in my mouth. Cancer by Tiger Star.
2,000 years later.
I did. Sunny, hurry up, cause we're late. Oh, what time is it? Mom, what time is it?
It is 6:42. Don't forget, you need to get your little snack.
Help! Help!
Got perfume. Did I show you it? Okay, I'll show you. That's looks like. I mean, that's it. Don't put too much. Oh yeah, let's go like mayonnaise. No. Clock that. So, this is my favorite lip gloss. I put it on every single day. If you see, it's about to go out. And now, for grand finale.
Help!
I gotta do my hair. So.
Oh my God!
Now look at. Yeah. My hair probably look matted up, but my hair is long. My hair is long. My hair is long. My hair is long. Yeah. So, I can't wait to get my hair done this week because I'm getting mini twins. Our ducks is not promoted. So I use Rex and her aloe vera water. I don't know how to say it. This Rex and refresher. My mom told you about her in a video, say I better go get her products. Period. I'm not a hair professional. I'm just learning, guys. This dry kind of wet. Just dry. Alright. So, I accidentally cut my hair right here. Not cut it, but the closet door had ripped my hair off. So, me and that closet is going to fight today. So, yeah. Yeah, I gotta be. Now I'm gonna cut this part because I'm finna be like, so goodbye. Well, I tell you the 4C, girlies, I don't care what hairstyle it is, as long as you're in start with the 4C, grab this. Cause this is awesome. Like, look. It's this. Alright, I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to say the name, but it's honey curls. If you see this, buy it. It don't give you no residue or nothing. And then you put it on there. It's already for me. It's already for me. Then look. Bow. Bow. It's like bow. Like bow. Alright. So now we're going to do the other side. Probably a little short because I kind of cut. Yeah. Right. Right. You know what I'm gonna do? The wax while I'm doing it. Because I feel like. Look, this gotta be out. Yeah. Or I'm not sure. Oh, I'm gonna put some in the back. Don't ask why, because I want to. I like this part be dry. Because the back don't really matter for me, for real like that. Oh. Let's get some more here. It's probably the problem. probably finish shirts for now. But yeah. Going to school with comments. People talk about you. Like they did in me 3rd grade and 2nd and 1st. But now it's all over. It's all over. Ever since I stepped foot in that floor. They stopped hating. And they say you look cute. They say that I look cute. Alright. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, see you on my next video. And I promise I'll be posting more.